didn't really choose agriculture as a career because it chose me. We have a mixed farm of beef cattle and market vegetables as well as greenhouses. I've got a box of hats up there, probably 20 or 30, so depending on the day. And that includes, being the accountant, being the market analyst, being the soil scientist, being the plant pathologist, being the veterinarian. We're more of a community-based market, so we kind of identify with our neighbors and our customers because we supply direct to the community. And we've embraced, environmental sustainability. We started with our water courses. We fenced them out so that the cattle didn't have access. By doing that, we provided shelter belts for the birds and the different mammals that live here. We've extended our grazing season so that we can keep our animals out on pasture a lot longer with the goal of year-round outside grazing. It's much healthier for the animals and, the environment as well. And look at it with satisfaction saying, I've done something positive here, and it's going to be an improvement for what we're doing, but it's going to be an improvement for our grandchildren as well.